Hey, what's up, guys? Last day of March the 31st. Woo, it has been a busy day. We're actually running a little bit behind. I had 2 consultations this morning. I booked both of them on the spot. Actually, one we're going to fit in tomorrow because they're moving in. They have an engineered floor. They thought it was a solid floor, but it was an engineered floor, so it can't be sanded. They initially wanted to make the floors lighter, so I told them the only way they can make them lighter is replace it. They said, nah, Courtney, it's not that serious. So we're going to do a screen and recoat with color correction. That job is actually in Beaufort, and now we got... Anyway, that's tomorrow after our first one that we'll be doing at Ackworth. So focus on today, last day of March. I had Tavares and my guy Aaron, who should be pulling up soon to this job of Mr. Wright. We're out here in the Camp Creek, Georgia area. Mr. Wright did pay for an in-home consultation a few weeks ago. I came out here, gave him a quote. He booked on the spot. He also hired my guys Christian, them to come move the furniture, which they moved the furniture this morning. And then they're going to come put it back today because we are doing the UV cure. And I also have another consultation to do in this area today after we get the coating down. So I did a floor last week, and the client said, Courtney, I know I'm gonna have to pay more, but I want the floors a little bit more shinier. We actually initially went with a satin finish, which his wife liked, but he said, Courtney, I'm paying for it, so I want my floors shinier. So I had them go back this morning and do it with a semi-gloss, and he's very happy. So what we're gonna be doing here today, guys, this is Mr. Wright. This is, I think it was like 900 something square feet, screen, recoat, UV cure, and also a little color correction. So let me flip this around and show you what I'm going to be doing, what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys, so I'm in the South Fulton Camp Creek area. When I used to clean carpets when I first started my business, this is one of my hot spots. So I went out and did 2 consultations this morning. Again, both of them booked on the spot. Now we're here, and also we're doing a flight of stairs. So Mr. Wright, the original floors of the house. And the main, guys, is actually the floors are not too bad. Just a lot of wear. The living room is definitely not too bad. But if you look right here around the kitchen area, a lot of wear. So I want to start screening this down really good. Okay, around this kitchen, this pantry. I actually did one like this, the one in East Lake a few weeks ago. Almost the same condition. Also, Christian to move all the furniture out. All right, so this is really the most roughest area in this hallway here. Now here it's not too bad. So we got this main foyer, then we got the living room. Got a little wear here and there, but not too bad. And then this room right here, which is not bad at all, and also the flight of stairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, guys. Get these floors looking good.
The catwalk, Courtney. The catwalk.
Oh yeah, you did add the catwalk. Okay.
Yes, catwalk.
Okay, thank you for saying that. So we'll add that as well. And then also the catwalk, which Mr. Wright added as well. So we're gonna do the catwalk as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna start screening. The guys should be pulling up in about 15, 20 minutes. Stay tuned.
South Fulton, Atlanta. You see the well. Watch what we do to it. One day we bring it back to life. No dust, no mess, just right. Red oak floors, yeah, we changed the view. UV light, now it's brand new. Truman, yeah, that crew. Pull up deep, yeah, we coming too. One day system, what we do. South Fulton shining, yeah, that's true, yeah. Pulled up clean in the blue and yellow. Flows worn down, yeah, they lost that glow. Home on the stretch trying to sell that house. We stepped in, brought the light back out. Screen that flow, let it breathe real quick. Buff it down, that smooth like silk. 2 teams deep, yeah, we moving fast. Transformation hit like a blast. They thought it was over, thought it was done. Now they looking like how you do that in one. UV hit, now lock that shine. Instant cure, yeah, we beat that time. It's more than flow. Yeah, we flipped that over.
Right, that can't wait no more.
Ain't wait no more.
Kids blessed, furniture too.
Same day living, that's what we do. Truman, yeah, that whole way. Pull up strong, we don't play no games. South Fulton to the A, we restore, elevate. From worn out grain to a luxury feel, we don't sand it down, we just keep it real. Screen and Recoat, that pro level touch. Light hit different when it's done by us. Goods ain't strings in the background slide, while that 808 knock with Atlanta pride. Sit our home with the baseline deep. African drum make the whole flow speed. We ain't guessing all this skill refined. Years in the game, yet we built this shine. 2 vans par, whole team aligned. Every job turn gold every time. It's more than floors, it's how you feel. Walking back in like this can't be real. From door to door in a single day. That Truman touch, yeah, paid away. One day, they bring it back to life. No dust, no mess, just right. Red floors, yeah, we changed the view. UV light, now it's brand new. Truman, yeah, that crew. South Fulton shining, yeah, that's true. One-day system, what we do. Atlanta born, but we move like kings.
All right, guys, that is good. Yes, sir. They are cured. You see these guys walking in my socks, gliding across the floor. Floor has turned out great. Nice semi-gloss. You know what's something too, guys? One of my clients showed me. She said, Courtney, now that my floors are done, when I look at my floors and I look at my walls, so you see that walls are more like a satin flat look. When you look at the floors, got that nice sheen. So these floors came out really, really good. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Wright, my clients. They did find me on Google, paid for an in-home consultation, and said this is the first time the floors have been professionally touched. So that makes me feel even better. I did go and look at one about 10 miles from here. We took a lunch break. Her floors, it's a small job. It was like 400 square feet, but she has a lot of missing color. So we're gonna have to do a major color correction on that floor. But yeah, man, this floor came out great, guys. Especially this kitchen area where it was, put that out, really, really worn. And you can see we have a nice sheen on this floor. Christian and them are actually on their way back now to move the furniture. So they'll be back about 6 o'clock. Should take them maybe an hour, if that, to put the furniture back. And then they're also going to do a move for us, well, not for us, but for my clients in the morning in Ackworth. We have one tomorrow in Ackworth. We got 2 tomorrow, but that's our first one. Also left my clients some of my True Neutral cleaner, fresh out the bottle. All right. Keep the floors nice and clean. Yeah, that kitchen was the worst, and that came out great. Let me close it. Yeah, whole lot better.
Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better.
And Mr. Wright, you find me on Google, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, it was YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Oh, you find me on YouTube? Okay.
Yeah.
So you searched on YouTube?
Yeah. It was
Okay.
YouTube, yeah.
Okay. So you find me on YouTube. That's even.
I ran across a video.
All right.
And I was like, and I said, yeah, I want to do my floors one day, and I just looked at it. I'm like, okay, this is the kind of job I'm looking for.
Yes, sir. And look, done in one day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the pantry too. Yes, we got the closets. All the closets. If we notice anything, we got this closet right here. Yeah. That little bitty one. We got that one right there.
Okay.
And the bathroom, the potty room. So yeah, we got all the closets that didn't have anything in them, and just put the vents back.
Okay.
And then you got the stairs looking good too.
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.